dangerous.
What's up YouTube? Today we want to show you this new blue Torrent 2.2 horsepower pump. It is just a pool pump, but it's a pretty cool pool pump. If you come closer here, the main thing that I want to show you on this pump is that they have added RS-485 right here. So right here in the manual, it has all the information about the RS-485 and all the information about the protocol. So this would be a fantastic pump for the DIY tinkerer that enjoys doing the custom projects. Everything else is pretty much like the old one. There's also this riser on here on the bottom that people have said they really like, so when your plumbing doesn't line up, you can crank these screws down. Basic basket like most pool pumps have, and you can also they do have an embedded Wi-Fi system as well as just the basic controls. And this may be a little bit easier to use than the older version of their pump. It's a little bit more intuitive, I would say. So one other thing I wanted to show you before we wrap this up is they give you a bunch of O-rings here. You've got the unions for 1.5 inch, as well as the 2-inch guys, which is fantastic. And also on top of that, you get a pre-wired RS-485 cable to go straight into your automation. If you haven't seen the Control Freak, check out the Control Freak automation. It will definitely work with this. I'm sure a couple others will integrate, but yeah, just a cool little clean pump. You should be able to get one of these in between $800 to $1,000.